The Department of Tourism and Travel Management, Elektrik College Shillong is now open for admission. Join the 4 years Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management professional program at Elektrik College Shillong and embark on a journey beyond borders. For more information, call the given number on the screen or visit the website www.elektrikcollege.edu.in.
Hadin arsngi jong ke Jingbym ka cyclone Remal ke jela Meghalaya ru ke lahap bangat ha ke jing Shillong shop di Khubor Mariang ke Jingbym jong kal er ke balarat ye ki yingshong yingsa jong ki pajba ki jingthung jingtep ki jekarep bat kumjuru ke nagiwa bat kinala pentujum kila silai de ke jingjur jong slap pat kiwe Menteri Rembak ke Jelau Konrad Kesangmah bakaran halor kane ulong bakaladon ke jingdu jong ke Bording Elektrik hakleng ki jeka jong jela Namar ke jingklem jong ki ding ki sej bat ke jingjulor jong ki tiar kitar ulong balese kan bat por satang kumba shisngi lane arsngi bat onla ban Pynbiang sajisen syakarkom ke balang jajai ula pentip bahagi kato kanik distrik jong ke jela ki balangat ha ke Jinglong shop ke Mariang kila ban leje kendu syaki Bor distrik ke bagidan lane ban syu pentip syak office jong ke CM Connect dak ba phun hau Namar iwei kendai nyo iwei ulong ru balala ban penpoi ye ki jingirap syaki lanot bat kum curu ke jingirap syak wei ke longying ke baladuno ya wei udkhot ke ying harilum jentia ula penpauru ye ke jingkublei syabaro ki senat trikam jong sarkar ki bala simkhia ban trisitam ha ki ne ki arsngi lenter
Diam.
I would like to share that after the cyclone and the after impacts of it, there have been some damages in some parts of the state. In some parts we have also lost one life in Genti Hills region, and the ex gratia has been given to the respected family members. At the same time, all the damages that have taken place in different parts, especially homes of individuals and families, the necessary support has been given to them also. The administration has acted very fast. We are also facing challenges in terms of the power supply. For that also the MECL is really working on a war footing. The damage is very extensive, but MECL is working with large manpower and additional manpower, and we're hopeful that very soon the power will be restored in most of the parts of the state. Already major part has been done, but in the next few hours and next maybe day or two, we will see most of the power being restored back. And I also would like to take this opportunity to really congratulate and thank the entire officials from the different departments and mostly the district administration for really working very well. A couple of days back, before the storm was about to hit us, we had taken a detailed review along with our Deputy Chief Minister and other officials, and we were very happy with the way the administration was prepared, and they have acted very swiftly. So I thank them and congratulate them. And of course, if there are any issues any further, any people are facing any specific problems, please do contact your Deputy Commissioner, or you can even call at CM Connect on 1971. Thank you.